It was on this day, a year ago, that the Death Star was blown up. On this day we look to the past. But it's important that we not try to change the past, because that's not possible.
I am so inspired right now.
Really? Instead, we must look to the future, because that hasn't happened yet.
Technically true.
And so it was with great pleasure that today, I announced the Empire's most ambitious project to date, the Life Star. Its main cannon will fire sunshine and rainbows on a planetary scale, and its fusion reactors will be powered by love. I hate this. Which, as we all know, is the ultimate renewable resource.
Yeah, go, Rainbow Cannon.
The Life Star is the future. The Life Star is the future. And in this glorious future, we shall make sure that something like this will never happen again.
No! You maniacs! You blew it up! Damn you! Damn you all to hell!
Main features are powered by love. That could be it.
That could be it.
By love. By love. By love. They're all.
By love.
All of those are